Once you create your artist profile on Medelz, you'll go through 4 easy steps to fully complete it. Completing your profile not only makes it visible to others, but also boosts your presence on the platform. It unlocks features like joining competitions, connecting more meaningfully with fans, collaborating with fellow artists and businesses, and so much more. Right after signing up, you'll be redirected to your profile dashboard. At the top right, you'll notice a circle showing your profile completion percentage, and below that, you'll see a checklist of what's missing from your profile. The first step is adding your profile picture. Click the small edit icon above the avatar. You'll be prompted to upload an image. It should be in PNG, JPG, or JPEG format and under 1 MB in size. After selecting your image, you'll need to adjust and crop it to fit perfectly within the round frame. You can use your keyboard's Control key and mouse scroll to help with positioning. Once satisfied, click Crop, then Done, and finally OK to save it. Your profile picture will now be updated, and your profile completion will jump to 25%. Next, it's time to add your profile banner. Click the Edit Banner option and follow the same process as before. Choose your file, crop it to fit the space, and save it. After uploading the banner, refresh the page, and you'll now see your profile is 50% complete. To move to the next step, click on Edit Details. This is where you'll fill out important personal and artistic information. Start by adding your date of birth, state or province, city, gender, and a detailed biography. Your bio is especially important. It tells the world who you are, what you do, and what makes your art unique. You can format it with different fonts and styles, so take your time and write something meaningful. Then, add your skills. You can list multiple and focus on the strongest ones, as they'll be visible to others. Also, add the languages you speak or use for your content. You'll also have the option to link your other social media accounts, which is completely optional, and you can add a custom URL if you have a website or portfolio elsewhere. If you're associated with a business that's registered on our platform, you can select it from here. And if you're associated with other artists, like performing as a group or collaborating on projects, you can show that association by clicking here and selecting the artist you're associated with. Then, turn on features like the Hire Me button if you want to be contacted for work, the Collab with Me button if you're open to creative partnerships, and the Contact Me button, which enables a contact form on your profile. There's also the exclusive content option if you plan to offer subscription-based content to fans in the future. This is how you'll activate that. Once all the details are filled out, click Save Changes and refresh the page. Your profile will now show 75% completion. Finally, to reach 100%, you'll need to upload at least one piece of content to your profile. Choose the category that suits your work. For example, click on Music if you're uploading a music. Then click Add New Song. You'll be asked to provide the song title, a short description, select the genre, language, and content quality. You can choose to allow free downloads or mark it as a product in the marketplace, setting a price if you want to sell it. After that, upload your music file. It should be between 5 seconds to 5 minutes long and up to 1080p quality. Once uploaded, hit Done, then Next, and finally Submit. Medelz will automatically review the content to make sure it follows our guidelines. For example, content with violence or nudity isn't allowed. It may take a few minutes for the video to appear. In the meantime, scroll down your dashboard and click Upload Introductory Video. This is your chance to say hi, talk about your art, and help others connect with you on a personal level. After a few minutes, refresh the page. Your uploaded video will be visible, and your profile will now show 100% completion. Congratulations! You're now all set to shine on Medelz and take full advantage of everything the platform has to offer.